But this is a really healthy looking chart. If we look at the last year, in my opinion, given market conditions, where we are, as you know, I think the bull run does start to heat up a little bit. I do again think bull run will be February to like June of 2025, similarly to when we saw the last bull run after the Bitcoin halving, but still up 652% over the last year. And it really, I mean, it wasn't that long ago when, you know, Aerodrome climbed back above $1. I think it was actually right here, mid-July, late July. Aerodrome did climb back above $1, but we're seeing the massive trading volume increase, 40% increase in trading volume, 16 million total in trading volume over just the last 24 hours alone. And then the holder count just continues to be massive. People have been loading up on these dips on Aerodrome for a while now, it seems. And again, holder count almost 200,000. Again, this is just unique wallet addresses, so you know, I'm not saying almost 183,000 people you know, own Aerodrome, but unique wallets, which to me is key, and which kind of just goes to show, you know, the price discovery, people finding out about Aerodrome, becoming educated on the project, seeing the pillars, seeing the catalysts, and then obviously, you know, becoming a holder. But again, I wanted to go over a series of tweets here in regards to Aero. First, I want to talk about this article, and we'll put links to everything in the description below. So Coinbase recently launched the CBBTC token, wrapped version of Bitcoin on Ethereum and Base. Aerodrome Finance leads protocol rankings in terms of TVL on Coinbase's network. Again, we know, talked about it probably over 100 times now that I think about it. Aerodrome's close connection to Base, close connection to CP Ventures, and just same narrative I've been saying. If Base grows, Aerodrome will grow with it, and I mean, not really vice versa, but Base will grow with Aero, and it's something that I think, if you don't know about that connection between the two, that's like maybe probably why people wouldn't be bullish on it, because that in itself to me is a super big reason to be bullish. But let's just look at a few things here. So you can see your liquidity that's flowing into Aerodrome currently, 730 million. I mean, this is crazy. This is on Token Terminal, by the way, you guys. But look at the volume, liquidity, that's flowing into Aerodrome. Right, this is just from February. Aerodrome launched back here in September, so we're seeing, you know, pretty stagnant, people not knowing about Aerodrome, and then just flying up and staying consistently you know, up north of 500 million, $600 million levels as far as the liquidity flowing into Aerodrome, which again just really speaks volumes to it all, I think. This here as well, exploring the top base DEX is on Base with the highest trading volume in the past week. Aerodrome just dominating, literally double the amount of trading volume that Uniswap on Base, 893 million compared to 1.6 billion for Aerodrome. Again, really no comparison when it comes to Base, things on Base, DEX is on Base. There's really no comparison. And then I want to share two tweets here by OX or 0x Icaros. Again, shout out to this Twitter user. Gonna put a link to their Twitter in the description, and these tweets in the description. Find me a better chart with fundamentals. I'll wait. Aero. Again, like I said at the beginning of the video, the Aero chart, if you look even just at the last month, to me, market conditions, we're seeing, I mean, this is a super healthy looking chart. I feel like if you zoomed out on the last year, or if you even looked at all time, which is the last year, right? All time year chart doesn't really change much. You'd be bullish, right? There's no reason not to be based on this chart. Extremely healthy. And then you can see this tweet here. In crypto, Aerodrome, largest DEX on Base, most undervalued altcoin right now with fundamentals, taking market share from Uniswap. TVL is obviously massive. Best place to trade, CBTC, and backed by Coinbase. Base layer 2 doesn't have a token, so proxy bet, it's clearly Aero, right? We've talked about this long time ago, that Base as a chain said they're not going to have their own token, right? Aerodrome is the leading DEX on Base. So again, essentially by default, that's what Icaros is saying here. Aerodrome could be the default token of Base. So it's all interesting, you guys, and I definitely think, I mean, Aerodrome is going to fly. I've been talking about it for a while. If you go back on any video I've made on Aerodrome, you know that I'm bullish. Let me know in the comments below, you guys, if you guys are too. Please hit the subscribe button, drop a like, and as always, have a great day.